Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to stop your microphone from auto adjusting on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. The error message that says that your microphone isn't working, switch to a different device or try to reconnecting this one. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type troubleshoot, Trouble, troubleshoot setting, open it and go to other troubleshooters and scroll down guys. Recording audio tab, you just need to run it. Close the troubleshooter guys. If you have any problem, this can able to resolve your problem, but if there isn't resolve your problem, let's move on to the next step guys. Go to search menu and type control panel, CONTROL, open it and go to view by two large icons and you need to select sound and you just need to go to recording tab and select your microphone and go to properties and go to advanced tab and you just need to uncheck the exclusive mode guys. Uncheck the exclusive mode and click apply and OK. After that, go to communication tab to do nothing. You need to select this and apply and OK. After that, go again sound and recording tab. In here you are having two mics or three mics listed over here. Your speaking mic, you should click on it and after that you need to select it, set as default. This will set as default option is here. After that you click apply and OK. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.